In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoho meeting, and we'll walk through this process together step by step in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by navigating to your Zoho mail account. Now, before you can join any meeting, it's crucial to have the meeting link or an invitation. This might be in the form of an email or an instant message, so make sure to check your inbox thoroughly. Once you have your meeting link, you can click directly on the Join Meeting link provided. This is typically the fastest and easiest way to jump into your meeting without any hassle. However, if you prefer or if you're encountering any issues with the link itself, there's another route you can take. You can open the Zoho Meeting app directly. Within the Zoho Meeting app, you have a couple of options. For an immediate connection, click on Meet Now. This feature is excellent for spontaneous meetings and provides an instant setup to get you communicating with your colleagues or peers right away. After entering the meeting, you might want to share this meeting with others. You can do this by copying the link or the invitation from the meeting interface and sending it to your team members. This ensures everyone who needs to be there has access to join promptly. Additionally, if your agenda requires scheduling meetings ahead of time, Zoho Meeting has a feature for that as well. You can schedule a meeting directly within the app. This is particularly useful for planning recurring sessions or coordinating with participants who are in different time zones. Through this process, whether you're joining immediately or planning for future sessions, Zoho Meeting offers a flexible platform adaptable to your specific collaborative needs. Remember, successful participation in meetings involves ensuring that all equipment, such as your microphone and camera if necessary, are functioning correctly beforehand. You might want to conduct a quick test to ensure everything is set up properly so you can interact seamlessly and effectively during your meeting. By following these steps, joining Zoho meetings becomes a straightforward task, leaving you more time and focus for productive discussions. If any questions arise, keep the Zoho support resources handy. These are valuable tools if you encounter any hurdles or require further technical assistance. So there you have it, a simple and efficient guide to joining Zoho meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your future online meetings.